Ashoka Chakravarti was the greatest emperor of India. He conquered present day Afghanistan in the west to Bangladesh in the east. His empire covered the entire Indian subcontinent except for the parts of present day Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. The empire's capital was Patliputra, present day Patna, with provincial capitals at Taxila and Ujjain. Ashoka was a very skillful and great warrior. He had waged a destructive war against the state of Kalinga, modern Odisha, which he conquered in about 260 BCE. He converted into Buddhism after witnessing the mass deaths caused by Kalinga War, which he had waged out of a desire for conquest and which had resulted in 100,000 deaths and 150,000 deportations. He is remembered for the Ashoka pillars and edicts for sending Buddhist monks to Sri Lanka and Central Asia for establishing monuments and marking several significant sites in the life of Gautama Buddha. Beyond the edicts of Ashoka, biographical information about him relies on his legends written centuries later, such as the 2nd century CE Ashoka Vadana, narrative of Ashoka, a part of Divya Vadana, and in the Sri Lankan text Mahavamsa, Great Chronicle. The emblem of the modern Republic of India is an adaptation of the lion capital of Ashoka. His Sanskrit name, Asoka, means painless, without sorrow. According to the Sri Lankan tradition, Ashoka died during his 37th regnal year, which suggests that he died around 232 BCE. According to the Ashoka Vadana, the emperor fell severely ill during his last days. He started using state funds to make donations to the Buddhist Sangha, prompting his minister to deny him access to the state treasury. Ashoka then started donating his personal possession but was similarly restricted from doing so. On his deathbed, his only possession was half a myrobalan fruit, which he offered to the Sangha as his final donation. Such legends encourage generous donations to the Sangha and highlight the role of kingship in supporting the Buddhist faith. Legend states that during his cremation, his body burned for 7 days and nights.